Hello and welcome to Zimstead Media. In other stories, the President of Zimbabwe, Emmerson Mnangagwa, has commenced his month-long annual leave. In a statement, the Deputy Chief Secretary for Presidential Communications, Mr. George Charamba, outlined the arrangements for continuity of leadership during the President's absence. Vice President Colonel Dr. Kemba Mohadi will serve as acting president from December 23 to 31, after which Vice President General retired Dr. Constantino Chiwenga will assume acting responsibilities from January 1 to 13, 2026. Vice President Mohadi will resume acting duties from January 14 until the President returns to office in early February. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.